In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert binary to decimal. If you've ever seen a string of zeros and ones and wondered how to read it in everyday numbers, this is for you. We'll use a quick online tool so you get an accurate result with almost no effort. Open your browser and go to the Rapid Tables Binary to Decimal Converter. It's a simple page designed for exactly this task, and it's one of the fastest ways to turn binary into a familiar decimal value. Once you're there, take the binary number you want to convert and paste it into the input box. For example, paste 1010. That's a valid binary number because it contains only zeros and ones. If your number came from a document or a website, make sure it doesn't include stray spaces, line breaks, or any characters other than 0 and 1. Most browsers handle this well, but pasting as plain text avoids hidden formatting. Next, click the Convert button. The tool processes the digits instantly and displays the decimal result. Using our example, 1010 converts to 10. You don't have to calculate anything by hand, but it's helpful to know what the tool is doing. Binary is base 2, so each position represents a power of 2, starting from the right, 1, 2, 4, 8, and so on. In 1010, the ones are in the 8s and 2s places. Add 8 plus 2, and you get 10. That quick mental check can reassure you that the output is correct. If you see an error or an unexpected result, double-check that you only used zeros and ones. Leading zeros are fine, and don't change the value, so 0, 0, 1, or 10 will still give you 10. Very long inputs also work. The converter is built to handle big binary numbers commonly seen in computing, networking, and embedded systems. That's really all there is to it. Paste the binary number, click Convert, and read the decimal output. When you understand what's happening under the hood, this simple workflow becomes even more useful. Whether you're debugging code, interpreting data sheets, or just learning number systems, the Rapid Tables Binary to Decimal Converter gives you the answer in a single click. It's quick, accurate, and perfect when you're on a deadline. Try a few examples to build confidence and keep the page bookmarked for the next time a binary value shows up in your work.